everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout, and you will notice that my background looks different here. And that's because when I scrapbooked this, I was actually at a crop. So pardon any lighting, any shaking. It looks like it is a little bit shaky because I'm scrapbooking on a table. But I think it'll be okay. And my ETG this weekend was giving me a hard time. It's 15 years old, so I actually ordered a different one, although sadly I'm going to have to give up my pink and go to red because there is there weren't any pink ones left any. Well, there were, but I'm not paying $80 for a ATG. So anyway, I did not realize that. I thought that this had not uploaded. So I'm going to try to give you what I can. I had to go back and kind of look at this. So that paper that looks kind of like a map is from the Go See Explore collection from Echo Park. And then that green paper is as well. So that's where those two pieces are from. At least that's what this is telling me. Then I have that sticker there. So I've got some travel stickers here, and those are also from the Echo Park Go See Explore collection. As is, and you see it's just that sticker sheet on the left there. One of the reasons I'm using this is that this is a little bit of a layout about some of the stuff that I was doing for planning the Paris trip that I'll be taking next year. And so I noticed that there was an Eiffel Tower there and a passport. And I'm like, well, I have to get this done. I have to get this scrapbooked. That 3x4 card is also from the Go See Explore collection. Then I'm sorry, that is not from that. I have a note here. It's from the Crate Paper Here and There collection. Now there's a cut apart. That's where that came from. So sorry about that. The little envelope there is from Crate Paper Here and There as well. There was a whole page of envelopes, cut apart envelopes. So I'm loving that. That like room key piece there is a puffy sticker from Crate Paper Here and There. And I'm using as much kind of French Paris themed stuff here because this layout is about when I went to the library. I needed some extra traveling books to kind of give me some more ideas for hotels or some guidebooks. And so that's what I was doing is I just took a picture of that. And this is all part of the crazy planning process. It's lovely and crazy all at the same time because my friends have said it's your 60th birthday, do whatever you want. So I'm planning our vacation and hopefully they're going to enjoy it. All right, then I have that little Metro sticker, and that one came from the Go See Explore collection as well. And there's the Eiffel Tower, and I'm so glad I found that. It was so exciting. I'm pulling anything that's sort of Paris themed out of my stash as I come across it. So that's kind of where this started. And I thought, oh, wait, I don't have to separate that because I have a layout to do about planning for Paris. And that's where this layout was kind of born. All right, so I'm really loving the way these clusters are turning out. I do have that envelope a little bit overlapped right now. I will cut that and get rid of it. Trying to kind of think about like where am I going to journal here because I don't have anything and I don't have to journal a lot, but I did grab a cut apart piece of paper there, and I don't remember where that was from. I think it's a miscellaneous piece of paper, I think. It might be Go See Explore. It also might, I think it is Go See Explore now that I think about it. So I just need a line just to, it just says getting ready to go, excited, because the more I plan, one of my friends recently said as we were talking about this, it's as much fun planning the trip as it is going on the trip, and I really believe she's right in that. All right, tapping my hand there to decide if there's anything else. That sticker that says you, me, and we is from that, is also from the Crate Paper Here and There collection. as is this little airplane chipboard that I'm going to add here. Just looking to see if there's anything else. I just pulled out my travel envelope and used what I could here. I kind of like that arrow, but it just is not, it's not cooperating, but finally I found a spot for it there. So that is from Go See Explore as well. And then, last but not least, I decided I wanted to get an alpha on here. And I think I wanted to do like planning or something like that. I didn't have enough letters. I thought of a couple different things I could have said, but I didn't have enough letters from these collections. So I ended up with Get a Plan, which, you know, because that's what I'm doing. And this alpha is from the Paper Studio. That's where this is coming from. All right. I think it takes, I'm being daring and I'm not using my wax paper here, so it takes a little bit to get the everything arranged. Oh, and I didn't have any A's left. Or if I did, I only had one. So when that happens, I MacGyver everything. If I only have one of something, or if I don't have enough, I MacGyver all the letters that are like that. Otherwise, it looks weird. So I'm turning a V upside down, and then I'm just going to use a period. That's an easy MacGyver. So then I decide, okay, let's get everything out to the edges, and then I'll get the A in there for and there we go. And I like how that's big and bold on there, because the whole idea here is the planning process. Okay, here is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.